Okay. Show us how it's done, Ella. Whoa! You made it long, and then how do you make it short again? Holy smokes, it's getting shorter, that tail.
Don't forget.
Set her down and let's see. Wow. You gonna make it long again? Set her down, let's see how long it is. Oh, neat. You gonna make it short again? That is so neat, Ella. Auntie Catherine and I forgot about that. We didn't know that's how it worked. Thanks for showing me.
Mommy.
You say bye?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Say hi, Auntie Catherine.
Auntie Catherine.
Did you have fun playing at Catherine's house today?
Yes. I did.
Okay, can you guys say good night?
Good night.
Little kiss, maybe? Very nice.